press the bell icon for all the updates. In case you've been under a rock, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas are in India and totally enjoying every bit of it. PC almost smuggled Nick into Mumbai as he was seen hiding his face and getting out of the airport, then holding hands and painting the town red together. Soon after, they flew to Goa, where PC seemed to be having a lot of fun. But, here's the best out of them all. This Insta story photo where Priyanka shared a photo of the two men, out of which one is Nick, and wrote, "My favorite men." There it is, the declaration of love. Guys, don't you think Nick and Priyanka are just the cutest couple? You can post your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit like and share on this video. For more on Priyanka and Nick, stay tuned to the channel.